You all will probably kill me after this video, but the truth had to be told. So here it is. Oh, you all envy this. Now. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Fitness with Yogasini, and today's segment is a Saturday chit chat with Yogasini where we talk about what to eat, what not to eat, hair care, skin care and all that jazz, and answering some of your DMs and things like that. You must have guessed by now what this video is going to be about. It is going to be about my hair care. I'm not exaggerating this, or no, I am not exaggerating this. Every single day for the last 4 years of my life, I have got, what do you do for your hair? How is it so long? How is it so straight? How is it so silky? How? Give us tips, give us that, tell us your secret every day. Probably 100 DMs a day is about my hair care. Just saying. I have just taken a bath and I didn't want to put any makeup and everything because I don't like putting makeup after taking a bath because I'm still sweating. This takes me 1 hour to wash, shampoo, condition, take care, and by the end of my bathing ritual, my hands are tired. It's actually a 1 hour workout that I do. I'm already exhausted and I'm doing this video, so I didn't want to put makeup. I didn't want to look presentable for you all. Okay, this is my bare skin and this is my bare hair. Today is the day you will know what I do to maintain this hair, to grow this hair, to nourish this hair, to everything this hair. Okay, my neck is hurting. Brace yourself, okay? Just breathe in, breathe out, because the truth is gonna come out today. Finally, what I do for my hair, how do I grow it, how do I maintain it, how do I do everything for my hair. And the truth is, I do nothing. I actually do nothing. Zero. Zilch. Shunya. I really don't bother about my hair. That's the truth. I told you you'll hate me in this video because I've told you the truth. Now you'll be like, ये झूठ बोल रही है, ये कुछ ना कुछ करती होगी. She's just not telling us the secret ingredient and her tips and tricks. She's just lying to us. But I am not lying to you all. First and foremost, the reason I have amazing hair, and I am admitting and I am gloating about the quality of my hair, because I have seen other people's hair and I've seen my hair and I've seen my family's hair and everything. I know for sure that my hair quality is top notch, because once I was in Bombay and a lady came up to me saying, I'll pay you 1 lakh for your hair. So I'm not exaggerating and I'm not boasting when I say I know my hair is amazing. And the reason my hair is amazing, okay, let me just fix my top, is because of my genes. Yeah, I am Bengali. I am not a fish eater, but my parents are a fish eater. My grandparents were fish eaters. We as general Bengali, as a community, we don't eat too much masala. Our Bengali food is actually a little blandish, little on the sweeter side. We have very less masala and oil in our food, and that could be one of the biggest reasons why my family and my genes have good hair. My mother didn't start graying till she was 40. She has a full head of hair. My father, same, full head of hair. He barely had any grays in his 50s. I am in my 30s and I don't have a single gray in my hair. My grandparents had thick hair, my cousins have thick hair, my aunts have thick hair. So the reason my hair is like this is because of my genes. I don't have to stress about my hair or worry what to do, what conditioner, what DIY treatment, क्या shampoo, क्या कुछ नहीं. मैं बस छोड़ देती हूँ, जीन्स के भरोसे सब हो जाता है. So that's the first and the biggest truth for my hair is my genes. That being said, there are some do's and don'ts I follow, and I've been doing this for, I think, ever since I was young. I've been doing this. So these are some of my tips that you could follow, but then again, like I said before, I am blessed with very good hair, so these do's and don'ts may not work out for you, and you may listen to them and like, ये तो general do's and don'ts है, but they have worked for me, and they worked for me for so many years that, and this is the result of this. So I'm gonna just tell you the do's and don'ts before you start hating me again. The first don't is I do not put any heat in my hair. No straightening, no curling, no blow drying. I just wash my hair and you can see it's still wet, and I'm just going to air dry it. Then after some time, I'm just going to brush it out. I'm not going to put any heat. I'm not going to blow dry. Though there are some very good blow dries in the market now. The Tyson, I think it's Tyson, right? The cool air one, which is supposedly very good. But I've never used heat. Means I have used heat before. Younger me, I'll just tell you the story of that. Now for the last, I'll tell you, 4 years I haven't used heat because it takes a lot of time to blow dry, first of all, this length of a hair. So heating and doing stuff to my hair is out of the question. In case I do want to get something special done like curl my hair and all, I have to go to the parlor क्योंकि मेरे से खुद घर पे नहीं होने वाला. But that's rare, like only if I have events or if I have a wedding to attend or some fancy party to go to, which is never. I don't go to any parties. I stay at home and make videos. Yeah, that's my life. Anyhow, yeah, so no heat in my hair. When I was younger, I had shorter hair. I mean, I've had all sorts of hair, okay? I had long, I chopped it off when I was in London. I colored it pink. I used to curl it every alternate day because I wanted curly hair. I wanted that bounce and everything. And I did torture my hair quite a lot when I was in my teen years, even in my early 20s. I would sit all night, curl my hair and then do all those tongs and all those things. So I have somewhat damaged my hair when I was younger. But I stopped all of that. I gave up heat completely. I air dry my hair and I take my hand, ye mera haath, and I just do this. And my ring just got stuck in my hair. See, it's so thick that things get stuck in my hair. Sometimes it becomes a chidiya ka ghosla if I don't brush it for too long. No heat and you will be fine. The second don't that I do is color my hair. Now I can say this because I don't have grays, so I don't need to color my hair. I'm not much into experimentation because as a person I get bored in 2 days. So even if I color my hair like pink or blue in 2 days, I'll be like, isko utaro mere sir se. So for me, coloring is not a crazy thing, and also coloring and all those dyes and all have a lot of chemicals. And I know I'm not the first person to tell you this. Chemicals, not good for your hair. It's not gonna help you grow your hair. It's actually gonna damage you. Though there are colors which are ammonia free and less chemicals and all those things, but at the end of the day, you're still putting chemicals in your hair. वो fact है. So if you can avoid it as much as possible, go for it. And even if you have grays, yeah, love your grays. It's the process of growing old, maturing. I don't know what is this obsession of everyone to look younger and have pata nahi kya kya hair. I know platinum blonde looks amazing, but platinum blonde on Indian hair, matlab from black you're going completely silver blonde. You can imagine the amount of damage you are doing to your hair. And I see all these fashion bloggers with pink, blue, green, blonde hair. Good for you. You look amazing, no doubt. You look really stunning in that hair. But that damage that you're doing to your hair is irreversible. That hair quality that you're ruining is not going to come back. So that's a call you take. When I was younger, and I know I sound like a buddhi amma saying, mere bachpan mein na, but I am in my 30s. So when I was younger, I did color my hair. Okay, I'll be honest. I did pink. I had those pink strands, peaches, which was in trend in the 2010-12. I did that. I used to color my hair red. Sometimes I did the box dye, ghar pe box wala dye. I did that. I used to go to the parlor. I used to highlight. I did that. Don't get me wrong. मैंने किया अपने बाल को बर्बाद बचपन में किया है. But maintaining colored hair is a task, and I am a lazy bum. So I was like, मैं नहीं color करने वाली यार. And for me, I wasn't covering anything up. It was just a style statement. It was just me expressing myself. So after a point, I'm like, I'd rather express myself someplace else than color my hair and do it, because see, this is what I have to deal with. You all envy this. I have to struggle with this every day. The third is a little controversial, but मैं बता देती हूँ क्योंकि मैं ये करती हूँ. You may not believe in this, but this is my theory. I don't do hair spas also, because I could be wrong, and I'm putting a disclaimer कि मैं गलत हो सकती हूँ. In my theory, hair spas also use products, and those products also may have chemicals. So indirectly, even though they are nourishing your hair, they are putting protein back and keratin and all those treatments, at the end of the day, they are still chemicals. And in my opinion, as a person who has really good hair, I believe that the less chemicals you use in your hair, the better your hair quality will be. Okay, there are also other factors for your hair quality, but we are already consuming so much chemicals. हमारे खाने में है, हमारे environment में है, हमारे कभी-कभी पानी में है. A person as a human body, if you consume less chemicals, it's better for your skin, for your hair. So no hair spas either. I will give you an alternate to a hair spa because that's what I do. But there are a lot of these treatments. I am not into those treatments. Okay, that were my don'ts. Now let's go to the do's. My first and biggest do is I oil my hair before every hair wash. Okay, so once or twice a week. These days is once because I can't go to the parlor and get a अच्छा सा chumpy and get a good oil massage to like activate my hair growth and all that stuff and activate my blood circulation in the head. But once a week I get ghar pe, now I have to do ghar pe, a good chumpy where I put oil and I really, for a good 1 hour, I give myself a scalp and a head massage. Then I leave it for 1 hour, 1 to 2 hours in my hair. I'll just do my work and finish ghar ke kaam, and then I wash it off. A lot of people keep it overnight, but I am not very fond of oil ka smell and I'm a little averse to that, so I wash it the same day. Now the oils I use, I'll tell you, they are not fancy, they are not branded, they are not anything. 3 oils that I love are almond, olive oil, actually 4, sorry. Almond, olive oil, apricot and coconut. The almond and the apricot oil I actually got from Kashmir in a plastic bottle that they sell at the dry fruit stores because that's natural almond oil. I use that. I don't use any brands. I don't have any fancy, I don't know, what are the hair brands? I don't even know about the hair brands, hair care brands, because I don't need any. Nothing of that sort. Normal oil. Olive oil is a Fargo oil that I use. I bet you must have seen Fargo oil. You can use that to cook also. Yes, I use that for my hair. Coconut oil, I would like organic coconut oil. I did buy myself an organic coconut oil from Amazon. I'll put the links in the description. But जब नहीं होता तब parachute use करती हूँ. But parachute का smell मुझे just makes me hurl. So these are the 4 oils I use every time, and I keep on alternating them. Sometimes almond, sometimes apricot, sometimes olive oil, sometimes coconut oil. I keep it mixing because I get bored quickly, so I like to change my oiling rituals also. And I keep it for 2 to 3 hours and then I wash it off. And that is my first do. The second do that I do is my shampoo routine. And if you are wondering what is my special shampoo that I use, it is Dove. Dove Intensive Hair Repair. And this is what I use for my conditioner. I hope you can see it. Yes, this is what I use for my conditioner. This is the Vella's Oil Reflection Luminous Reboost Mask. I did a campaign with them and they sent over these things and I used it and I loved it. These two are my staple. This is what I use all the time. This is my shampoo, conditioner, hair care. Now when it comes to how do I shampoo and how do I condition my hair texture is oily in the scalp and dry in the ends. So for me, I have to be very careful with my conditioner usage as well. What I do, and I learned this many years ago from some video on YouTube only, to condition my hair first and then shampoo my hair. My ends get nourished, top to bottom gets nourished, and then the shampoo washes off the extra moisture from my hair, making my hair more luminous, more healthy, and not too oily and not too dry. just a balance. That is my shampoo routine. But again, like I said, I am blessed with good hair. I can do this and get away. If you are someone with curly hair, or if you are someone with thinner hair or things like that, then you probably need to do a longer hair care routine or a more intensive hair care routine. But mere liye this works, and this is the result. My third do, but it's a do that I used to do in the past, is DIY hair care, which is the egg mask, the curd mask, the honey mask, all those masks. I used to do that quite religiously again when I was younger. I'm guessing by now you must be like, ये कौन से generation में पैदा हुई थी कि बार बार younger बोलती रहती है. But yeah, I used to do an egg mask once a week. I used to do curd and lemon because I had dandruff during winter, so I used to do that for my dandruff. I used to use beer because I'd heard that it makes your hair really thick and silky. And to be honest, I'm not saying these DIYs don't work. I did see a lot of change when I did those DIYs, but then again, those were the years when I was really damaging my hair. So I really needed these ingredients to help me nourish my hair. And it did help. The egg mask was amazing, though the bathroom kept on stinking for the whole week. And it was a royal mess to put that. I did those things and I did it for over 1 year. When it comes to DIYs, you can't just do it for a month and you expect amazing results. आपको for a long period of time करना होता है to see some significant change in your routine, be it skin, be it hair, be it whatever. So these were the hair masks I did use. But I had shorter hair then, there was more damage. Now I don't do those hair masks because इस बाल में if मैं egg लगाऊंगी तो उसमें omelette बना के खा भी लूँगी, क्योंकि it'll take me so much time that I don't have the energy to do it, to be honest. Yeah, मैं अभी भी कर सकती हूँ, करना चाहिए मुझे. Just because I have good hair, that doesn't mean I don't take care of it. But if someone tells me 1 घंटा बैठ के तुम egg लगाओ, उसके बाद 1 घंटा बैठ के तुम बाल धो, मैं like माफ़ करो मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा, छोड़ दो. So yeah. Now coming to what I do internally for this. I work out a lot. It's a fitness channel. You already know that. If you don't know that, please do one of my fitness challenges. There's a 30-day fitness challenge. There is a weekly fitness challenge. There's how to do a push-up. There are so many videos. I'm a fitness channel. I love fitness. I love working out and I work out every day. And this question I get a lot from you all saying, what do you do with your damp hair after a workout? Do you wash it? All that thing. Now, if I wash my hair every day after a workout, मैं bathroom में ही रह जाऊँ. निकलने की मतलब, there's no point coming out. I'll be in the bathroom only. So that's not an option for me. If you have shorter hair, you can wash it more regularly. But again, I'm of an opinion that the natural oils in the hair is much more better. So, 1-2 दिन, if your hair is a little oily, it's good for your scalp. It's good for hair growth. My washing schedule is twice a week, max thrice, and third day is for a special occasion again. But twice is what I do in a week. Now, I don't wash after every workout. The first thing I do after my workout session, because I do sweat a lot and I braid my hair and work out. So the first thing I do is I take off my braid. I spread my hair out so that it gets some air and can breathe. Your hair also needs to breathe. And I just flip it around so that natural drying process happens with my hair and the sweat and all gets dried up naturally. So that is my hair care routine after a workout. And after 3-4 days, when I realized that now I can actually extract oil from my hair and sell it to people, that's when I wash my hair. As for brushing my hair, this is the brush I use. This is a detangler brush that I got off Nykaa. I think this was for $500. This was on a higher side. And because my hair is this, it's this, I get a lot of knots. They are painful, and so what I do is I divide my hair into 2 because I need to, and I use my detangler brush, but I let it dry. Now this is considerably dry. It's still a little damp, but it can be brushed now. So I start with the ends because they are the easiest, and this helps me because this really though बहुत बाल निकलते हैं इसमें, the yanking feeling like someone like brushes na combs खिंच के, the pain, this does not do that. This really helps in, like, I'm just brushing my hair right now and you can see that I'm not in pain and I'm gently doing it and there's not too much tug and all. Now I will show you the amount of hair that comes on it, but so yeah, I can do this. A lot of people can't do this. A lot of people need to put serum and all to brush their hair and all those things. I used to use serum. I use the Moroccan oil, but then again serums make my hair greasy. So I only use oil if I blow dried my hair, if I'm going to blow dry my hair. So to keep the moisture intact in my hair, that's when I use serums. But again, घर पे नहीं use करती, घर पे कुछ नहीं करती मैं. So I'm just going to brush my hair. I'm going to show you. This is how I generally brush my hair. And I could be wrong. Don't curse me. I know some people, some channels have like extensive hair care. क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, ये करो, वो करो. मेरा बहुत simple है. So that's why I said, if you all hate me after this video, I can't help it. This is my truth. So you can see that this back side always has knots. So this part is quite difficult, but it's not painful. बचपन में मेरी माँ जब मैं brush करती थी, it was a screaming match, but now not so much. This, if you want a good brush, get a detangler brush. It's really good. It really helps me to like get rid of all the knots, and I get a lot of knots. Okay, so see, I can show you. This is a अच्छा सा knot that happens every time. Like this section of my hair is always knotted. If you want to see my full length hair, I'll show you right now, and you'll know how much task this is in a second. So like I have to back out. This, don't mind my shorts. I'm just wearing a top and niche shorts. This is the length of my hair. Okay, and yeah, I do not have steps or anything. I just have a normal haircut. Haircut bhi kya karu? I can't even bother getting a haircut. They'll all look the same. So I haven't cut my hair like drastically in the last, let's say 4 years. I get trims every 5 to 6 months, but I haven't got like a wow amazing haircut in a long time. And you people don't let me get a haircut also. You're like, if you get a haircut, we'll unfollow you. Like, what sort of a audience do I have? Like, seriously guys, like you all tell me, if you cut your hair, we'll unfollow you. Why? Do you know how much task this is? Oh, okay, done. If I go on brushing my hair throughout the video, you'll probably go away. Now this is the amount of hair that's come out. I don't know if you can see, but it's quite a lot. So I'm just going to take it out and show you, because some of you all are very scared about hair fall and all. And I understand it can be a very scary process to see so much hair coming out of your head. But so this is the amount of hair that's come out. I have long hair, so it looks as if it's quite a lot, but it actually isn't. And I'm just going to keep it aside and throw it later. Otherwise, it'll go on flying all over my room. I have like hair bubbles happening. क्या बकवास बोलती रहती है. Okay, let's go on to the next segment. Fish oil is very good for hair growth, by the way. Look it up. Do research on that, because I can give you details. If you're looking for a good fish oil supplement, the Swiss Ulti Boost Odorless 4 Strength Wild Fish Oil Concentrate is good. So try it out. I'll put the link again in the description. If you're not a fish eater and if you are a vegetarian, then try this out. See, first try it out. Do some research. आपको भी research करना होगा when it comes to DIY or taking supplements or a workout or a routine. Even though there are a lot of videos on YouTube, that doesn't mean you don't do your own research. You'll see more stuff, you read more stuff, you see if this product will help you or not. That's how you take good decisions about yourself. So yes, for me, my diet is very important. Like I said, I work out quite a lot, so that also helps me with hair growth and blood circulation. I do a lot of yoga, and yoga really helps with blood circulation, detoxification, and nervous system. So all that really aids in this. Last but not the least, and this is the most important, stress. Tension, stress, anxiety, all this also causes a lot of hair problems, be it hair fall, thinning, graying. What do you do to de-stress? Okay, now I can give you ज्ञान about आपको stress नहीं लेना चाहिए, life बहुत छोटी है, आप stress लेके क्या करोगे, all that jazz. No, people have really big issues in life, and during this whole episode of lockdown and everything, things haven't gotten better for anybody. So being stressed and being in anxiety is normal, but all that is also having adverse effects on your body. Aapka body is also getting affected with all the stress that you're taking. So मैं ज्ञान नहीं देने वाली हूँ, पर मैं आपको बस एक चीज़ सजेस्ट करने वाली हूँ. दिन में एक बार या 2 बार 2 मिनट का मेडिटेशन कीजिए. एक जगह ढूंढ लीजिए, बेड पे, ज़मीन पे, किचन में, ड्राइंग रूम में, कहीं भी एक जगह ले लीजिए, वहाँ पे बैठ जाइए. आपको गाना चलाना हो तो आप गाना चला सकते हो, आपको कुछ चांटिंग करनी हो तो वो भी कर सकते हो, पर आपको कुछ नहीं करना तो बस आप सुखासन में बैठ के फोल्डेड लेग्स, टेक अ बैक रेस्ट इफ़ यू वांट टू, एंड जस्ट कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन योर ब्रीदिंग. ब्रीद इन, ब्रीद आउट. And I can tell you don't take stress, but that's easier said than done, so I'm not going to tell you that. But yeah, stress is another factor for hair problems. This is it, people. You all been wanting this video for so long, and I'm sorry, this video is probably a disappointment, and you must be expecting some miraculous remedy for hair growth and all those things, but ये मेरा सच है, ये मैं अपने बाल के लिए करती हूँ. I thank my lucky stars. I'm very grateful that I do not have to take stress over my hair, and one less stress in life is amazing. And I know a lot of you all do have stress over hair. At the end of the day is hair, right? It's the crown you wear, and it really makes and breaks your day. Like Fleabag has this amazing line, hair is everything.
Hair is everything. We wish it wasn't, so we can actually think about something else occasionally, but it is.
And I absolutely believe that hair is everything. But hair cannot be your life. There's more to life. And like I said, all these things help me in keeping my hair like this. You can have all sorts of hair. You can have curly hair, like it's like grass is greener on the other side. I would love to have a big head of curly hair, and when I see women with curly hair, I'm so envious. I'm like, I want that. But I also know that they have to take more care of their hair. Curly hair has a longer hair care procedure routine. It is quite taxing to take care of curly hair, but they look so gorgeous. All that bright bounce. I have no bounce. I have just this. Anyhow, but I'm still very grateful for this. I'm very thankful for my genes. These were my do's and don'ts. You can try them out. I don't know if they'll work for you. They work for me. So here I am. So this is my final video. I'm not going to make another hair care video because I don't want galis from you all saying ye jhoot bolti hai. But this is it. And I shall see you all very soon on Monday with a workout routine, and next Saturday for another chit chat session with Yogasini. अभी के लिए हम टाटा बाय बाय करने वाले हैं और प्लीज़ मुझे गाली मत देना कमेंट सेक्शन में, ओके? एंड इफ दिस वाज हेल्पफुल, इफ दिस वीडियो वाज हेल्पफुल एंड यू लर्न समथिंग एंड यू थिंक दैट यू कैन इनकॉर्पोरेट समथिंग, लीव अ कमेंट, थम्स अप, सब्सक्राइब। इंस्टाग्राम पे भी हूँ @yogasini, वहाँ भी फॉलो कर लीजिए। ओके देन, आई एम टायर्ड ऑफ टॉकिंग।